Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I do just want to take a step back, have a conversation with you all, and just kind of go over some changes for my channel, a little bit of some pivots I'm doing here and there, and just some updates because I feel like I've been changing a lot of things recently and I want to get everybody on the same page with what's going on. Also, in my last video, I kind of addressed a negative comment and I got a lot of great support from a lot of people in the comments of that video basically telling me it's my channel, do with what I want. And I've made some decisions, so I want to go into all of that with all of you. I do just want to thank everybody who was super supportive in that video, and for everyone who was negative, that's fine. I'm going to do what I'm going to do. So if you want to just chat with me for a little bit, this is going to be super low-key, calm. We're just going to talk through some things. Make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. And I will be back in a day or so with more beauty content. But today it's just going to be some Brett time, a little bit of me unwinding, filling you all in, and hopefully you find this interesting. So let's jump right into it. I do just want to take a moment to say how nice it was not to feel like I had to rush through an intro, because I always want to get through the intro, get right into the goodies, the fun stuff, and it's nice to unplug a little. So today we're going to be unwinding and just going through some updates. So the first thing I want to address is the hate comments and the nonsense. A lot of it you don't even see. I have I have a list of filtered words that will not appear on the channel that will auto-flag comments as spam. A lot of times, on channels, people will be like, follow my channel with a link, or a bunch of hate speech and stuff like that. I have a lot of those keywords flagged. So a lot of times I'll go through my flagged comments. I mean, I always go through them. And anything I see that isn't supposed to be flagged, sometimes somebody will accidentally put a period, so they'll think it's a website and it'll flag it, and I'll just say, you know what, someone was just typing fast, and I'll approve it so it can go through. But a lot of the stuff in there is your pretty generic homophobic nonsense. But recently I got a person who was complaining about the subject and title of a video. Choice items for Boxycharm aren't spoilers, and the way I titled my video was misleading, even though the title was Boxycharm sneak peeks at choice items. Like, it said choice items right in the title. Technically a spoiler and a sneak peek and a choice item, they're all spoilers and they're all sneak peeks. And I definitely put way too much time thinking about that nonsense. And honestly, all of you who are super supportive are right. I can call the video whatever I want. A choice item is a sneak peek. I also really want to thank everybody who came out of the woodwork in the comment section of that video telling whoever was listening that you don't subscribe to Boxycharm, but you like the spoilers, or you like to know that your choice items were the right choices, or in some cases, you watch several choice videos because you want to make sure that you were happy with the choice you made. A couple of you even mentioned that you go onto the Boxycharm Beauties Facebook group to buy products, or Mercari, or a lot of these sites where people get, 3 items that they don't want and just sell them for cheap. And I think it's amazing that as a community, everybody knows that and everybody does that. So I am going to continue to do those videos the way that I do them. I will say if it's choice items in there, typically I do a mixture of choice, sneak peeks, and spoilers all in one. And I'm going to continue to do that. In the future, if something is only choice items, I will probably put a disclaimer like in the beginning, this is just choice items, but that's pretty few and far between. I typically do a lot more than that. Another thing I do want to address in this video is my other platforms. So a lot of you, well, all of you, I guess, follow me on YouTube, and this is predominantly where you guys consume the content I make. And I noticed for a while that I was either not posting on Instagram and TikTok, or I was posting, but it was just a shorter, faster version of whatever I was posting here. I would do a whole Boxycharm unboxing video here, and then I would edit that down into a 30-second try-on of the products for Instagram. And it got me thinking that that's not really productive for you. Why do you guys want to watch me do the same thing twice, one just a lot faster than the other? So I have decided that YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are all going to be very different. So over here on YouTube, you're going to get the same thing you've always gotten. It's going to be me doing some product reviews and first impressions and spoilers and unboxings and all of the tutorials and demos that you could ever want. I am going to say, as always, in the comments of this video, let me know what you want to see. Do you want to see first impressions? Do you like when I do a bunch of products that are new to me in one video? Or do you like when I do single product reviews? I've got a whole box of products right up there that are all brand new. I can pull them out and use one at a time in a video, or I can put them all in one big video and we can make it a whole big first impressions. Totally up to what you guys want to see, so feel free to put that in the comment section. But in addition to that, I want Instagram to be worthwhile. So a long time before I was on YouTube, product photography was a passion of mine, and it was something that I really enjoyed doing. So for those of you who are interested, over on my Instagram, Guy Glam, you will see that I do a lot of product photography, really some just really nice videos and things that are exciting for me with products that I have around the house, just because that's fun. A lot of you don't know, but outside of YouTube, in my career, creative directing for brand shoots is something that I do, and there are brands I partner with where I am on set with professional photographers styling photos, and that's what I do. So I've decided to utilize Instagram for that. So within the captions of those product shots and videos, I will give you guys mini reviews on the products themselves, what I'm liking about them, what I think they're good for, do they work for all skin types, in the same way I do on YouTube. However, you don't have to watch a 10-minute video to find out if I like one product. You can go on there, and if you see that I happen to have posted about, for example, the Olga Lorenzen eye cream, and you go into the caption, it is probably my favorite eye cream. It is definitely top 2. There are 2 that I go back and forth between lately, but this is the one that I tend to use more. And I even say in the caption that this is probably my favorite eye cream. Great way to get some mini reviews. You can also feel free to comment or DM on Instagram. I don't always get to every comment on YouTube, but on Instagram I answer every single DM and I try to answer every single comment. So if you're trying to reach out to me and you want a more thorough answer to a question, that'll be the best way to get it. But long story short, Instagram is going to be the best way for me to do these micro reviews where I can showcase a single product that I'm loving, why I'm liking it, and how it works, and I can really focus on the good. I'm not going to do a whole post on Instagram about something I didn't like. Whereas on YouTube, you'll get a little bit more. So if you're looking for that curated, what is Brett really enjoying, that's going to be a good way to figure that out. And that brings up TikTok, which is a whole other beast in and of itself. I am Guy Glam on that account as well. Everywhere you go, Snapchat, Instagram, Flip, that's another app I'll talk about in a little bit. That's the best way to find me everywhere. On TikTok, I've noticed that people tend to like hair videos. I don't know why. I can post product shots and get 100 views. I can post a makeup tutorial and get 1,000 views. But when I post hair, I'll get 200,000 views on people watching me style my curly hair, which to me is not the most exciting thing in the world, but I guess the people on TikTok really like it. So I'm going to probably focus a little bit more on hair content over on TikTok, whereas you'll get those micro reviews on Instagram and these full-length demo tutorials on YouTube. I really want to make sure that if you're following one of the platforms or all of them, you're getting something meaningful and something different from all of them. And I know that this is a really big ranty video, but I wanted to make sure to take the time to unplug why I'm doing what and why I'm putting it where I am. Because I'm still going to do reviews here. I'm still going to do the occasional tutorial or Instagram video or lives over there where I'm talking about how to use a product. But for the most part, I'm going to be focusing on product shots over there and the me videos over here. Now there's one more app I want to talk about, and that app is called Flip. So I have been doing it now for 3 months, and it is going to be right here. It is an app where you can actually shop in the app. This isn't sponsored, but you scroll through and people talk about a product, and it's a mini review, and you can vote on whether you like the product or you don't like the product. And it's almost like TikTok where you can scroll through that. So I have been doing some individual product review videos over there where I will find a single product and do a quick mini 30-second review on it. It is only going to be on the product, but it's a little less artistic than Instagram. On Instagram, it's going to be super artsy and super produced, these cute little shots. It's going to be a little more raw and unfiltered over on over on Flip. So that'll be a good way. You can find me over there as Guy Glam as well. I'm going to link all of these in the description box so you can check it out. I've already got a bunch of reviews up there. I've got a bunch of posts on Instagram and a bunch on TikTok. So if you haven't been following me over there, I do seriously think you would love it. And I do giveaways over there just like I do on here. I also understand if YouTube is really the only space you want to be in, and I am happy to have you here, but I would love for you to come join me on the other platforms as well. And hopefully that didn't sound like a really big whining session. I wanted to explain kind of what we're doing and fill you in for any of you who might be new and don't know what I do where, or those of you who have been with me for almost 5 years through the entire journey. This could be a really cool way for you to see kind of the direction we're taking things in now. So if you have any questions on anything I went over today, leave them in the description box down below. I will be sure to go over them, answer them down there if I can. If you have something a little more personal you want to ask, or, product recommendation, or something else I can help you with, my DMs on Instagram are going to be the easiest way for me to answer those, and I definitely get to those a lot faster than I do on YouTube. So thank you again if you made it all the way through this video. As always, without you guys, this channel would be absolutely nothing. So thank you for all of your support, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.